in human nature. Alhamaha fujuraha wa taqwaha. This nafs, it has been imbued with this. But the path, straight path, what to do, what not to do, that is something else. That comes from the prophethood.
What would you say is the hope for us Christians and Jews in your view of the future?
The final shape of humanity is going to be Islam. When Jesus Christ comes, he will say, I was not crucified. This crucifixion is a fiction. And I had told you that the law of Moses will remain. So Christianity and Islam, they will merge together into one religion under the leadership of Jesus. Because according to the Qur'anic philosophy, whenever the messenger was sent to any community, if that community as a whole rejected him, it was annihilated. This happened to the people of Noah. This happened to the cities of Sodom and Gomorrah. And this happened to the people of Ad. They are not mentioned in Bible, but in Quran. They were ancient Arabian nations. Samud, to the people of Shu'aib. Then, Pharaoh and his armies were drowned because they did not accept Moses as their prophet. Jesus came as the messenger for Jews. And Jews as a whole didn't accept him.
But Judaism does contain the idea of the Messiah is Judaic. So Judaism, in a theological sense, does not deny the phenomenon of the Messiah. And throughout history, and I'm talking about modern history, there have been a number of messiahs who have claimed that position. And one major one in the Ottoman Empire in the 17th century was, I forget his name now, Shabbatai ben Tzvi. Shabbatai ben Tzvi in the 17th century claimed that he was the Messiah on the basis of Jewish foundational ideas. So I don't see your point, because in Judaism the idea of the Messiah is not absent at all.
No, it is there.
It is still there.
But that Messiah come to them. They didn't accept him.
Jesus.
So yes, Jesus, that was the Messiah. And he claimed, I am the Messiah.
Right.
But they didn't accept. So the seat is vacant up till now. So they are waiting for their Messiah. And someone will stand up to someday and claim to be Messiah and lead them to, the greater Israel and so on and so forth. Anyone can come there. And that will be Antichrist.
I think also we are too far away from the basic subject. Now you said that we have two forms of knowledge.
We have
two forms of knowledge.
Yes.
Okay? But what about the source of knowledge for Islam? I mean, what sources that Islam accepts that true knowledge comes to us?
Both knowledges are true.
No, I mean,
this is the knowledge of this universe. And universe is the creation of God.
So is one source.
And that is why all the physical phenomena are referred to in Quran, ayat of Allah. They are the signs of Allah.
Yeah.
So actually, Quran to us is the word of God. And this universe is the work of God. And there's no contradiction between the two.
So they are same.
Yes.
In one sense. One is coming from Kalam, the other one is coming from...
Because I said, Allah wa Adamul Asma kullaha from God. So this all is a scientific advancement is from God.
Okay, we are now again to the subject. Thank you.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.